Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can clear all your data from your messenger and delete it from your phone. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Now, to clear all your data, firstly open up the settings menu on your phone. After the settings menu opens up on your phone, scroll down and find this apps option and click on it, and then click on manage apps, which will guide you to another page. Now on this page you'll see a search bar, tap on it and type in MESSENGER and open up the messenger app once it appears on your screen. Once you're on the app information page of the messenger application, on the bottom of your screen you'll see three options: push, stop, uninstall and clear data. Now to clear all the data, click on this clear data option and then click on this clear all data option and then confirm it by clicking on OK. After that process, all the data from your messenger has been deleted. Now you can simply uninstall or delete the app by clicking on this option and clicking on OK, or you can find the messenger app on your phone, long press it, which will show you a menu, and then click on this uninstall button and then click on uninstall again. As you can see on my screen, my messenger app has been deleted from my phone along with all the data which I had on my messenger app. I hope this video helped you to delete all the data and the messenger app from your device. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.